I don't know what to say at the beginning of this. Welcome to our super overachieving, adventurous, fun, surprising channel. Hello, my name is Z, and welcome to our collaborative overachieving channel. And today I'm going to put makeup on my face. I'm doing this one in particular today because November is Menkes Awareness Month, and this month I just wanted to do like some copper makeup looks and things that help spread awareness to Menkes. Menkes is a rare genetic illness that is fatal. It affects 1 in 100,000 boys. It's even more rare for girls, and it affects someone that's really close to my life. It's not going to be really too crazy extravagant look today, but we're going to do it for awareness. So maybe we can put a link on the Menkes Foundation in the description below so you can find out more about that. So I already did my face makeup, I already did my contour, my foundation, and the whole nine, so that we could just focus on the copper. I already primed my eyes with some NYX primer, so I'm gonna start in with my eyebrows. I don't have eyebrows, and we're going to draw them on. I'm thinking with the copper makeup that I'm going to do some blue eyebrows because it'll match my hair. I think it'll go nicely. So I'm gonna use this Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in shade Blue Velvet to draw on my eyebrows today, and I'm just gonna use a liner brush. So our eyebrows are on. How long did I shave my eyebrows off? I was like 14. I haven't had eyebrows for about half of my life. I do all sorts of different stuff with them. Next, I'm going to just put some white eyeshadow under my eyebrow to highlight the brow bone. I draw my eyebrows up higher than they would naturally grow, so I think that this part is important to give the effect of the arch where it's not actually at.
Sorry, I shouldn't talk. Start over.
Are you talking to me?
No.
We're also making tacos. When this is over, we could do a taco cooking video. Everybody will watch that, because if you don't watch tacos on YouTube, then I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. Okay, so this white isn't really doing its job. It's not doing what I want, so I'm gonna get controversial, and we're gonna put some Kat Von D concealer under my Jeffree Star eyebrows. Scandal. And then I'll just blend that out. This Jeffree Star Cosmetics Thirsty palette to do most of the look today. So I did try to go in with this shade over here for the white, but it wasn't really working. So now I'm gonna go in with this shade Kumquat for the transition. I'm gonna mix Kumquat here and Subtle, and just diffuse it with this fluffy brush. All over here in the transition, and I also like to drag it out past my eyebrow for this upward shape I do this a lot for myself because I like to bring everything up. I'll probably do a huge wing liner that'll go along with it, and then I like to bring it down into my nose. Now I'm gonna take more of a packer brush and I'm gonna go into drizzle here, and we're gonna put that in the crease, and then I will drag it down into the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going to go back in with my fluffy brush with no additional product, and I'm just going to merge those two colors and marry them in holy matrimony. I'm just going to keep going back and forth until I think it's blended enough, so we might be here a while. I'm just going to pack a little bit more of that shade drizzle into the crease to get it really dark and spooky. Now I'm going to go back in using the Kat Von D concealer, which is in shade neutral, which is one step up from the whiteout shade that she has, which I also own. And I'm going to apply it to this. It did the thing. It did the
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
We're doing makeup beauty guru stuff here and showing off my flat brush that I'm going to use to apply the concealer to my eyelid so we can do like a half cut crease. Okay, so now we can apply the copper, the fun part. I'm gonna put down, hi buddy. So now we're gonna get to the fun part. We're gonna put copper on over the concealer. So I'm gonna put this ColourPop Supernova shadow in shade Walk of Fame on as a base. We're doing the hand thing. Yes, see, there it is. Showing it. Showing it. No, I can't do it. Just trust me, that is ColourPop Supernova shadow. And we're gonna put that on over the concealer as a base, and then we'll top it off with some glitter shadow. It's okay if it isn't perfect, because we're going to go in with shadow on top of it, and that's also why we use the concealer, so we have a outline of where we want it to go for our cut crease. So I'm gonna go back in with the flat brush that I used to apply the concealer, cleaned off, and we're gonna wet it with, you can use water, but today I have Maybelline Master Fix setting spray with me, so we're gonna spray it with that. So we have lots of glitter, and I'm gonna use Thirsty palette one more time, and I'm gonna go into this shade here called Plunge. Wow. Okay, now I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit liquid eyeshadow from their Gothographic collection in shade Pure Intention, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corners of my eye. And I'll just blend it in with my pinky finger. Now for under my eye, I'm going to put just a touch of shade Subtle and just sweep that under my eyes and merge it with the shade Drizzle that is on the outer corner of my eyelid. Yes, it's coming together. She's looking at me like, what is going on right now? Help! Why is she here? Alright, now I'm going to line my eyes with the Wet n Wild Fright Night eyeliner pencil because it's spooky. Why not? to smudge out my lower lash line and merge it with the color that I put under my eye. Now we're going to apply liquid liner using the Ico London I Do Liquid Eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner pencil, and usually I don't like those very much, but this one comes out really consistently, and I've had it for a while, so it's getting close to empty and it's still working pretty good, so that's a plus. Next, I'll put on some mascara. I have the Superhero mascara from It Cosmetics. Alright, now we're going to apply highlighter. I don't like to apply highlighter when I'm doing my face makeup because I don't always know what I'm going with for my eye makeup, so I like it to coordinate, so I put it on after I've done my eyes. So I just wet this highlighting brush, and we're going to use the Morphe High Impact Highlighter in shade Spark. I always wet my brush when I use highlighter because it can't be blinding enough. Alright, we're almost done. Last, we're gonna put on some lipstick. I brought a couple of options, all copper based. I think I'm gonna go with this one, which is Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream, metallic, in shade, I don't know, but it's copper. Alright, here we have it. Last thing we need to do is set it and forget it. Okay, so here is a copper look. Like I said, nothing out of this world, but we're doing it for Menkes awareness. So thank you so much for watching this. Please find more information on Menkes at themenkesfoundation.org. You can find out what we're doing to spread awareness and what it's all about and how you can help, and wear some copper this month, talk about it, just get people aware because we need to find a cure for this. And thank you. If you want to see more of my makeup, you can see at my Instagram at ZGlamour. You can see all the fun 31 days of Halloween that we just finished up doing. That was a lot of fun. And yeah, keep on watching for more super awesome overachieving adventures. Thank you. Bye. How do we turn it off?
I had it good, and then he put the thing on top of it and like it weighed it down. Snoopin' schnoopin'. Go.
Okay. Hello. Hi.
Again, start over.
So we're starting now. Okay. Hello.
And go, go.
Huh?
Who are you?
I am. Wait, I'm not there.
I think I can smoosh your face like this.
It's being smushed.